Unit 14.
Admire. Admire is a verb. When you admire someone or something, you think highly of the person or thing. The players admire the coach because she is smart and kind. Now you say the word. Admire. Admire. Attach. Attach is a verb. If you attach something, you join or connect it. Use tape to attach the note to the door. Now you say the word. Attach. Attach. Handle. Handle is a noun. The handle of an object is the part you use to lift or hold it. Pull hard on the handle to open the door. Now you say the word. Handle. Handle. Handle is a verb. If you handle a problem, you take care of it. A plumber can handle the problem of your leaky pipe. Now you say the word. Handle. Major. Major is an adjective. Something major is important or great in size or number. Heavy rain was a major cause of the flood. Now you say the word. Major. Major. Passenger. Passenger is a noun. A passenger is someone who travels in a vehicle but is not the driver. The passenger fell asleep in the car. Now you say the word. Passenger. Passenger. Prepare. Prepare is a verb. To prepare is to get ready. We will prepare for the birthday party by getting hats, candles, and cake. Now you say the word. Prepare. Prepare. Separate. Separate is a verb. When you separate things, you sort or set them apart. Please separate the dark and light clothes before putting them in the washing machine. Now you say the word. Separate. Separate. Separate is an adjective. Separate objects are set apart. They are not joined. The two sisters have separate bedrooms. Now you say the word. Separate. Similar. Similar is an adjective. If two things are similar, they are alike or much the same. It is hard to tell the two drinks apart because they have a similar taste. Now you say the word. Similar. Similar. Slender. Slender is an adjective. A slender person or thing is thin. The slender tree branches snapped off in the storm. Now you say the word. Slender. Slender. Task. Task is a noun. A task is a job to be done. Each weekend during the fall, my task is to rake the leaves. Now you say the word. Task. Task.